Hey, this is Shay here, and I've been wondering if you've ever heard of making money online by just getting paid for clicks. I know this is probably something you've never heard of, or even if you have heard of it, maybe you've never truly experienced yourself getting paid for clicks. I know it's certainly something very unique, and even myself, I was certainly unsure of it when I first heard of it a few years ago. But just getting paid for generating clicks is some of the easiest money you can make online. And it's actually something that I teach to my students on a daily basis. And I've also been running campaigns that I get paid for generating clicks for multiple years now. In fact, I've had some campaigns running for just over 2 years now that have barely been changed. It's been just running along so stable for that amount of time. And I know this is something that you are probably looking for as well. You've been looking for ways to make money online, and not just that, you are trying to make and create a stable income online. And of course, that's what we all want, and this is something again that I teach to my students on a daily basis. But my campaigns that have been running for multiple years doesn't really prove to my students, and especially new students, that hey, it's still possible to make money online today from scratch. A campaign just running for that long doesn't really prove that. So what I actually do is I create brand new campaigns, literally from scratch. And right now, I'm just going to jump in right here, just straight to the point, all right, and prove to you a new campaign that I just recently started. I showed this to my students just the other day, and they were super psyched up and motivated, as they usually are every time I release a new campaign like this to them. And I mean, I don't mean just the results like this, the reports. I mean the inner workings, the traffic sources, how I'm running the traffic, how I'm handling it, how I'm setting up my pages, just everything on the inside. Okay, so as you can see, I started this campaign just a few days ago. So I've got the dates set back, as you can see, on the 8th. Alright, so today is the 11th, and of course we're in May. So the 11th, and today we're only just halfway through the day, barely even halfway in fact. And I just want to run through some of the numbers here quickly between all these 3 different networks I'm about to show you. So again, and with this one, as you can see, I didn't actually send that many clicks with this one here. As you can see, even just yesterday, it's getting paid $6.30 per click, and it made $88.20 with only 14 clicks. Okay, it's pretty insane, I know, but because of these clicks, it just is easy to make a decent amount of money really quickly. And a total of almost $265 has been made in, the 3.5 days so far, just in this one network, of course. And I just want to go now to the next one. Alright, so the next network here, I'm actually just going to expand out these 2 main offers right here. Okay, so same dates again. Alright, so as you can see, 358 made on this offer. Within this campaign, 295 made on this one. This one down here, in fact, I'll just expand it out anyway so you can see. This one is one that I would say is not a winner, of course. So I'm actually going to be turning this one off today because it's just not really paying as well, as you can see, as these ones. It's just not working as well with the traffic source that I'm running. So, in a way, it's only just started, so it's fine. But, these 300 clicks that were sent to this offer could have been, pushed towards these 2, and it would have made even more. But even still, $702 made there so far in this one, okay? And the earnings per click, EPC, a little bit lower, actually, quite lower, $2.03 on that one. I'll just go to the 3rd network here. So same dates again, just to point that out. And as you can see, today so far, $4.45, $4.74 average, and $241 made here as well. Got up to $5.15 so far, just yesterday. So still certainly more to come for today yet on all of these networks together. If we average all of them out, it's already doing over $300 per day. So not bad for a new campaign that I just started, as I was saying at the start of this video. But my point is with this video was specifically to show you, first and foremost, the campaign that actually my students only get to see usually, but I wanted to show you this to hopefully also motivate someone such as yourself. You're trying to most likely make money online yourself. You're looking for ways to make money online, and it just hasn't quite happened for you yet. Or maybe you are making a bit of money, but it's just not what you expected. Okay, and you just need that little bit further information. You need a little more knowledge to help you get to that next level. Well, I can help you do that as I do with my students every single day, but I'm only going to have this opportunity open for a short amount of time. And yes, I'm going to open this up so you can get access to everything that usually only my students get to see. So I'm going to show you campaigns like this. The inner workings though of how I set this up and how I run campaigns like this, I'm going to show you, but only if you take action today and only if you are serious. Alright, so if you are serious, take action and click the link at the top of the description. Okay, so find the link, it'll be right there at the top, it'll be the first thing, just a short bit.ly link to quickly get over to my site. And it's really simple. You just have to enter your email address and click the access button. And I'll just show you that now as well on my site here. Okay, so as you can see right here, just enter in your email address here and then just click the Get Instant Access button. And then to get access, there's just one final important thing to do, and that is to go check your email. Okay, so on the next page that I'll take you to after entering your email address in, I'll remind you again, but go check your email. Alright, go check the inbox of the email address that you just typed in on my site and go open up my welcome email there. Okay, so in that email, I'm going to have all the information that you need to get started today. I want to help you out as quickly as possible so you can start seeing big improvements with your Make Money Online campaigns. So go do this now, go do the few steps I just went over while I still have this open. Thanks so much for watching my video today, and I look forward to working with you soon.